Welcome everybody. Today we have a special car on the channel. Here we have the first BMW as well on the channel. This is a BMW M from 2012. What's so special about this car? It has the 9 M54 engine twin turbo, and it's a really cool car, but it's actually one of the rarest cars as well from the BMW. So let's check out the initial engine in this car. N54 original. This has 340 horses and it's a really good twin turbo engine, and it has really wide hips, as you can see, and it's also rear wheel drive, and it's really thick. Just look at it. And also the CSL wing as well make this car really cool. You can see it's a manual car. You have a 6-speed manual as well, because we need to save the manuals. Are you with me on this? And as you know, as all BMW owners, they really care for their car. So here we have a lot of car products, but it actually goes further in, so you have a lot of space. Believe it or not. I suppose you weren't supposed to know that, but now you know that. And since we have done this video, don't forget to buy the merch, save the manuals. Click in the description and buy it. And if you would like more videos like this, don't forget to comment which is your favorite BMW. And if you want to see more, press like, hit the notification bell. I hope you have a really great day and a great Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.